Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to use my cutie yarn. This is a thread, a cotton thread, and my 2mm crochet hook. So we're going to make a very simple granny square, and we're going to use picots. So to start off, make your slip knot and chain 16. (14, 15, and 16). So we have our 16 chains, and we're going to slip stitch on the first chain that we made. To form a ring. Chain 3. Our chain 3 will be counted as our first double crochet. And we're going to make 1 double crochet on the next 3 chains. We are going to make use of the chain and not inside the ring. One more. So now we have 4 double crochets. Chain 7. And make 1 double crochet in the next 4 chains. So I make use of the chain and not on the ring. So now we have 4 double crochets. So chain 7 again. And on the next 4 chains, we're going to make 1 double crochet. So now we have 4 chains remaining, and we're going to make 1 double crochet in each of these 4 chains. After making your 4 double crochets, make your chain of 7. And we're going to slip stitch on the chain 3 that we made earlier. Now I can cut my tail. For our second round, chain 5. Our chain 5 will be a double crochet and a chain 2. So we're going to skip these 4 double crochet, and we're going to make use of the chains here, the one that we made the 7 chains, and we're going to make 1 double crochet, inserting on the first chain, one double crochet, chain 1, and then on the next chain make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet on the next chain, chain 1, so 1 double crochet, chain 1. So now we have 7 double crochets, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 chain 1 space. Now we're going to make a chain of 2, and we're going to repeat this one. So make 1 double crochet on the first chain, we're going to skip the 4 double crochets of our previous row. So 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet, and you're going to repeat until you reach your last chain. I made my chain of 1, and now we're going to attach 1 2 and 3, and make your slip stitch. So now we are on our second row. For our third row, we are going to make a chain of 1, and we're going to make 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 chains. Remember, we made the chain 2, on top of the first double crochet. We're going to make 1 single crochet, chain 3, and 1 single crochet on this chain, on the single crochet. So we're going to skip the chain 1, and we're going to repeat on top of the second double crochet, single crochet, chain 3, and we're going to single crochet instead of a slip stitch on the single crochet. So we're going to skip the chain 1, and we're going to make 1 single crochet again on the third double crochet, chain 3, and 1 single crochet on the same single crochet that we first made. So we're just going to repeat on all of the double crochet. We're going to skip the chain 1 spaces. make 1 single crochet on the next chain 2, and repeat around on all our double crochets. And now we are done with our granny square. So you just have to cut your yarn. Of course, you'll be having a different size if you're going to use a different yarn and a different size of hook. So just to give you an idea, I use a crochet thread using my 2mm crochet hook, and we have obtained more or less 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. So if you're going to use the same thread as I did with the same hook, then you will have the same size. Of course, the bigger the yarn, the bigger the hook, and the bigger size you'll be having. So happy crocheting, everyone. I hope you learned a thing or two. Happy crocheting, everyone, and God bless.